Hi everyone and happy Easter. As you can probably see from the background there, I am stuck in the car park. In the car, I just thought from now on I'm going to do videos and add a little bit onto my craft videos or my AliExpress shopping videos, etc. Just a little bit of fun. So, oh my gosh, today has just been one of those days. Charming's off for the weekend because it's Easter. Well, he worked yesterday, but I had the kids Friday overnight and most of yesterday, so we've come out today to do a few bits and pieces and come to town to do some bits, and town is closed. So my daughter had actually come to what's called an outlet here in Swindon and said there was a sale on suits, and Charming still hasn't got his wedding suit yet. I know, leave it till the last minute. I've had my dress for like 3 months. So I obviously can't go in with him because I can't see it. So I'm sat in the car. It's like 1,000,000 degrees in here. I'm so hot. Do I look hot? So I thought I had a few minutes by myself. I thought I'd say hi to you all and just, yeah, let you know what's going on. So I'm going to do a video in a bit, what's in my AliExpress basket, but I just thought I'd say hi and just thought, you know, I've been doing these quizzes and get to know you a bit more. I thought it'd be nice to do a little bit of video every now and then just to say hi. So I will be back. What I'll do is I'll put this on the front of a video or the end or whatever. So yeah, this is my Easter Sunday, sat in the car. Very, very hot because it is beautiful weather here. We went to have a game of crazy golf, and then my daughter rang and said, you need to come down, there's a suit here. So he didn't get his rematch. I beat him last time. Yeah, it was, I think it was a ploy. I think he planned it. Yeah, he texted my daughter and said, get me out of here, I'm gonna lose again and I can't lose. So that's his excuse. So yes, I'm sat in the car, didn't have anything to do, so I thought people think I'm crazy because I'm sat here talking to myself. Probably there's people next to me in the car and they're thinking, oh, look at that crazy lady talking to herself. So she probably think I'm FaceTiming someone. Anyway, yeah, so that's my day. Hope you're having a good day and I shall see you soon. All of you, take care, love you, bye. So hi everyone, so what do I have in my basket today? As you can see, I have these lovely gorgeous bows. They're very decorative and they are £2.82. Very, very beautiful. Don't forget that you can click on the link in the description for any of these products as well. Now they do have that in 2 sizes, large and small. Just very, very pretty to spruce up your gorgeous creations that you're doing at home. One's more decorative, one's very lacy, and the other one is a little plainer, but they're both gorgeous, so I can't wait to get these and try these out. And this next die is for, you know, if you want to put washi tape or threads or ribbons, great for Happy Mail, and they are £2.47. It's £2.47 for the die, and I've been looking out for one of these for quite a long time actually. You know, because sometimes I want to just cut some lace off or ribbon off from, you know, some of the gorgeous ribbons that I've had from AliExpress and give them away as Happy Mail. And as you can see from this next photo, what they look like all packaged up, they look gorgeous, just lovely. Then we have these lovely tags, and I think there are 4 different sizes. I have shown these in one of my videos, and they are £2.15 for the set of 4, and they're really nice sizes as well. I've done some beautiful ones with this die. Really lovely. And then I have a lovely alphabet. I already have quite a lot of alphabet dies, but this one is a little bit different. It's £2.94 for the set of dies, and again, nice sizes. Just gives you a different, you know, different letters than the regular sort of standard ones that I have. So There you go. And then we have these lovely flatback 12mm crystals, 80 pieces for £1.55. Now, you can just choose to have one colour, or you can have a selection of colours, which is what I've actually gone for, because I wanted some of each colour rather than just one colour. So I thought I'd try them out first, and then if there's a particular colour that I really like, then I can just order them individually, or get another you know, multicoloured pack, which the next photo shows the multicoloured variety of colours that you actually get. These look lovely, nice size as well, 12mm, so they're bigger than the ones I already have. And this next item in my shopping basket are these random embellishments, 200 pieces, £1.61, all different flowers, hearts, different shapes. Really looking forward to receiving these. Love our embellishments, don't we? Can't wait. Then we have a different style of tag, and I love the topper bit for the hole. Just absolutely lovely. It is £2.72, and there are 3 different sizes, but I do love that bit on the top and the shape of the tag. And we love doing different tags, don't we? So 3 different sizes for you to try out. And the next item coming up is another bag topper. Now, I do have a heart bag topper, but it doesn't have the row of hearts on the bottom. So this is £2.72. And just thought, wow, it's another bag topper. I've got about 4 or 5 now. It's something that I'm trying to collect, and whenever I see a new one, I have to put it in my basket. Then we have, like I said, I like to have some tools as well in my shopping basket, and these are blender, like water barrel blender pens, you know, for your any kind of watercolouring, blending, and you get 6 different styles. And I love the way that these are different tips, flat tips, thin tips, and they're £3.08 for the set. So just lovely. I've not seen a set like that. I have got 3 different sizes before, but not with the different sort of heads. So we have quite a nice variety in the shopping basket for today's items. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm having a lot of fun doing these videos. Hope you enjoyed the video at the front, trying to make it a little bit fun as well. So hope you please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very soon.